Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have epic fun choices for you. Would you rather build your beautiful fantasy house with unique choices? But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. First round. Time to pick your beautiful dream house. Which one you pick for stay forever? Now, which bathtub are you picking? Stick style, minion style, or the Hello Kitty one? Next question. Which toilet would you choose? Time to pick your bedroom. Which brain rot animal theme bedroom you love to have? Moving on. Let's choose your favorite burger. Now imagine your dream day out. Which water park would you want to visit most? Time to pick your smartphone. Which one suits your style best? Let's cool things down. Which ice cream is calling your name? Pick your flavor. All right. Pick your perfect pet. Which one lives with you in your dream house? And now, which pet house do you like best? Stick, Hello Kitty, or Minecraft Creeper? Time for a quick task. Comment your favorite animal, comment your favorite color, comment your favorite movie. Let's go again. Choose your supercar. Which one you want to go on ride? Now, which jacuzzi would you dive into? First, second, or go with the third option? Time to pick a watch. Do you like the pink one, the blue one, or the gold glam? Let's head to the pool. Which swimming pool looks the most fun? Left, middle, or right? Your next choice. What's your Starbucks vibe? Blue, pink, or the chocolate one? Here's a quick choice. Which cupcake you take? Make your choice. Bonus round. Hello Kitty fans. Can you find the different Hello Kitty emoji that looks different? Here's the different Hello Kitty is hiding. Did you get it? Let's move on to the next round. Pick your headphones. Which one match your style? Now, which massage chair would you relax in? First, second, or third option? Time to pick your sneakers, left, middle, or right. Craving something good? Choose your pizza. Let's open some doors. Which one do you like best? First, second, or third? Here's a cozy one. Which bunk bed is your favorite? Stitch, Hello Kitty, or Minion? Which night lamp would you want in your room? Now think about your inflatable pool. Which one would you go with? Next round. Choose the best car. Which character theme car you love to have? Quick challenge. If you enjoy, then hit the like button, comment your name, and subscribe the channel. Now decide which relaxing hammock you love to have. Left side, middle, or right side. Time to build your dream gaming room. Which one would you choose? Next room up, your dream living room. Which style matches with your dream home? Let's get fancy. Which cocktail do you like best? Time to pick your pillow. What would you choose this time? Here comes another quick task. Pick your cookies fast. Pick your perfect piano, blue, pink, or the golden one. Which one you love to have. Let's pick your perfect fragrance. Which one matches with your style best? Memory challenge. Remember the position of every character. Do you remember where Pikachu is hiding? The correct answer is number 5. Let's keep it moving. Which suitcase would you take on travel? Now choose your favorite castle. Which one you want? Time to pick your beautiful garden. Which garden you want in your dream palace? Pick your favorite bed. Which unique style bed you want? Next up is your sofa. Which one feels just right? Let's pick a handbag for you. What is your choice? Sweet toothpick. Which chocolate bar you take? White, dark, or colorful? Time to pick your closet. Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3. Now pick your dream sink. Let's pick your washing machine style. Stitch, Hello Kitty, or the Yoshi one. One more quick pick. Which popsicle do you love to have? Which laptop would you use every day? Pick one. Time to pick your smoothie. Which flavor do you love? Let's go with your Crocs. Which ones are your style? It's alarm time. Which one you set for early morning wake up? How about this next choice? Pick a cutest cat tree for your cutest pet. Which gummies would you grab first? Final choice. Let's go on ride. Which motorcycle you pick for this ride? That was amazing, beautiful fantasy house adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.